Athena started interning at an architecture firm to learn the basics of designing and planning for the construction of new buildings. This isn't just any architecture firm, though. It just so happens to be the firm that designed the new office for Grant's Cleaning Glasses Company. So we're going to go back in time to follow Athena through the work that went into creating Grant's awesome new space. Since Athena's just getting used to being part of the world of architecture at all, the firm gave her a pretty simple project to work on at first. Since Grant's such a fun guy, he wanted his office to have a separate space just for having fun. Thus, the fun room, which Athena gets to plan. Grant's picked out a very special wallpaper that he wants used in this room, and it has a pattern that he wants to make sure is fully expressed on every wall, but he also wants there to be natural light in the room. So he wants windows along 2 of the walls. However, since he's not willing to sacrifice any of that wallpaper pattern, the 2 walls with the windows on them are going to have to be longer than the other 2 walls. Let's call the distance from one wall to the edge of a window x, and assume that each of these windows are placed in the center of either wall, so that there's a distance of x on either side. Now, since Grant loves natural light so much, he wants these windows to be really big. In fact, he's already picked out, surprise, surprise, the exact windows that he wants, and they are each 3 meters across. Now, since we're calling each of these lengths of wall x, we know that this length of wall is going to be equal to the sum of those 2, so this is just 2x. Now, the thing that Athena needs to figure out is how much carpet is going to need to be laid down in the fun room. So considering these side lengths and your understanding of area of rectangles, please come up with an expression for the number of square meters of carpet Athena is going to need for this room. You can either multiply or not multiply out your answer.